So let me show you how to enable or disable automatic power saving mode on the Sony WF-1000XM6 earbuds. Now this is very simple. All you have to do is launch the Sound Connect app from Sony and have them set up with your earbuds. And then now you want to scroll down and tap on device settings. Under device settings, you want to go to power/battery, tap on that, and that's where you'll see the auto power save. You can tap on that to enable or disable automatic power saving mode. Now, when you enable that, anytime your battery level goes to 20% or below, your earbuds will go into automatic power saving mode, which means it's going to disable the equalizer, the DSEE extreme mode. It's going to disable speak to chat and also disable voice control and voice assistant. So all those features which drain extra battery from your earbuds are going to get disabled immediately. So that's why you can turn this off or on. Thanks for watching and good luck.